the Diamond Dolphin Digger.
And Benjamin Tennyson. Sorry.
Yes.
I messed up. They don't matter. Oh, get them. Sorry, my sort of brother crazy.
Brother,
yeah. We're real brothers.
Derp.
Dude. Okay. Anyway, we are making the video to tell y'all that we have someone to introduce y'all to.
Yes, two actually.
Two someones. And there are dogs.
And here they are.
Dude, move your hands.
Their names are Hunter and Denver.
They're cute.
The brown one is Denver, and the tan one is Hunter, my dog. Burn!
My dog is Denver.
Sorta. We have another brother.
He's awesome.
Burn!
He likes video games, so if anybody likes video games, y'all get on. What's his name?
Okay, so guys,
No, we can't do that, can we?
guys.
We have to ask.
Guys.
We have to ask Dakota permission first, though.
Okay, guys.
Ow! Get down, Denver.
Before we introduce someone else, like a lot of things, hit that
subscribe button with your dog paws.
And that like button with your collar, and we'll give you 5 seconds to do that. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slap that like button.
Anyway, now, who are we going to?
Okay, so since you guys
met Denver and Hunter,
and we introduced them, it's
time
to introduce those special someones.
The other ones. But we can't
Whoa.
introduce Daddy. We can't introduce our dad.
Yeah.
Because he don't want to be in our video.
Well, we can secretly do it around the corner.
No. Dad don't want us doing that.
We have to be quiet. Hey guys!
Hey guys!
It's the puppies!
Oh, and Jules. Jules and the puppies.
Aren't they so cute? Oh, and this one's my puppy, Gizmo.
Aww.
They were born a few days ago. So cute. Yes, they are.
That's probably gonna be weird on our video.
No, it's not. People love
I hope
puppies.
Dad won't mind. We'll tell him that we put the Go tell him we put the puppies in.
You were on the video. Oh, he's on front.
Oh.
Wait, let me put on the shoes.
Oh, don't let Jules out. Close the door. Close the door.
Come on in.
Oh. Anyway, now
Sorry,
my brother.
Guys.
Sorry.
We have to skip part of the video so we can.
We have to pause it.
Okay, so we're doing this adventure with the dogs. Show me doing my dance.
My brother crazy.
Yes, I am. Thank you.
Come on. Oh, Hunter.
Fine, go.
Come on, Hunter. Go get Hunter.
Hunter, no, you don't have to hold him.
Okay. Don't let him get away, though.
Hunter, Denver. Whoa. Hunter.
Come on, Hunter. Denver. Sorry, I'm running. I'm not changing while I'm holding this phone. Right?
I'm changing. Show me.
No, we
Yes.
can't.
We told them in another video, remember?
Didn't we?
Yes, we did.
I forgot.
Okay, show me.
Anyway, here's my brother changing into dog side. Anyway, this is Denver, my puppy.
He's not a puppy, he's a dog.
I mean, my doggy. Hey, Denver! Denver! Here, boy.
Silly dogs. Oh, they need brushing their teeth.
Here, boy. Dude! Now we got... Oh, hey! Ah, she got fit all over here. My doggy. Ow!
Hi there.
Get off my lap. You
So
could.
are we about to end it? Bro?
Yeah, oh yeah. It's at 5. We gotta go. Okay, so thumbs up.
Wait,
and
dude, it cuts off out on us at like 10.
10, okay.
So,
wait, can I just do the outro? Let's just do the outro.
Just
Okay.
in case.
Thumbs up. Don't forget to slap that like button with your puppy paw and bye bye.
No, I gotta do something crazy.
Outro of darkness. Oh, come on.
Show me now. Whoa! I slipped. What? I'm in tripped. Burn.
Goodbye. Bye bye.
Burn.
Outro of darkness.
But we're not.